Hey guys, this is Kason with Haggerty Marketplace and Broad Arrow Auctions. Today we're here at Bernie's and we're going to take a look at this Chevelle. This thing is really nicely built. We've got a 6-speed manual transmission. Let's go for a quick drive and I'll give you a quick walk around of some of our systems. First thing I noticed is that the clutch is not overly aggressive. This is not some racing clutch. It's really easy to engage. Same goes with the accelerator. The accelerator is not super touchy. You don't have to worry about unleashing all of that horsepower at once, right off of the line. You can absolutely get into it, but you're without a doubt in control of that. Makes it really easy to drive just around town or to a show. Get on it a little bit here. As you can see, this car comes alive when you want it to. I can see all of our gauges down here working. We even have the clock ticking away. We've got our turn signals operable. Temp sitting around 210. Really hot day here, but that big aluminum radiator in the front's keeping it nice and cool. Get on the brakes, and these brakes stop us nicely. I don't have to get onto them too hard. I don't feel like the car is going to keep barreling through any red light or stop sign. And the car handles nicely as well. Not too much body roll. It's still a muscle car, and you're reminded of that when you're driving it. The steering's nice and tight, and you can see here we have vintage air. Turn that on and we can hear it immediately come alive. And now this car has almost 71 miles on the odometer, so you're practically buying a brand new Chevelle.